This is a thermometer, specifically a food thermometer. It helps you be able to detect the internal temperature of different foods so you don't make yourself sick. It's a fantastic innovation on the original thermometer that helps us keep track of the temperatures all around us. So where did the first thermometers come from? All thermometers work on the principle of detecting the physical changes of things as temperature change. That's how our sense of touch works as well. You can go outside in the morning time and find something metal, touch it, and feel the cold. But then you go out in the afternoon, go to that same object and touch it, and you can feel the heat, the change in property of that item. Thermometers are really just an extension of our sense of touch that are able to put things in more precise and accurate recordable data sets. Because yeah, you could go outside and just say, hey, it's pretty cold outside, but we really like to put things in numbers as a human species. In the 16th and 17th century, European scientists created some of the first early thermal instruments. The instrument worked by trapping air in glass tubes, closing it at one end, and then submerging it underwater. They called them thermoscopes, and this is the basic principle of how they worked. As the air trapped inside of the thermoscopes would either contract or expand, the water line itself would either lower or raise, and that's how people were able to tell temperature. In 1724, a Dutchman by the name of Gabriel Fahrenheit began selling thermometers with mercury inside of them. Mercury was found to expand a lot more dramatically than alcohol-based thermometers or air-based thermometers, so it became very, very popular. But also we know today that mercury is kind of poisonous to humans. Eventually, scientists discovered other physical properties that were able to reliably respond to both heat and cold application, and they didn't really have to rely on the expansion or contraction of a liquid inside of a glass tube anymore. Dial thermometers use the expansion and contraction of metal. Electronic thermometers work by using the effect of heat or cold on the actual speed or flow of the electrical circuits. That determines the temperature reading itself, and these are actually accurate to about a fraction of a degree. And infrared thermometers work by measuring the infrared radiation. Even with all of that, still today, there are innovations being made in ways to record temperature. One of those is a new thermometer that measures temperature using sound waves. Who knows, maybe in a few years we'll all be able to echolocate how cold or hot it is.